loading our truck up today to go on a little adventure and discovered that the blower motor had stopped working. So today we're going to go through and we're going to do a little change out. I'll show you how it's done. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. This morning I discovered that the blower motor had completely stopped working in our 2011 Chevy Avalanche. So I called around to the parts stores. None of them could get it to me until tomorrow. We're leaving here in a couple hours. So I ran over to our local junkyard and picked up a blower motor. I'm going to walk you through and show you how to install it. First thing that we have to do, we have to remove the screws. There's a screw here, and there's a screw back in here, and this whole cover here will drop off. So these screws here are 7 millimeters. I'm not sure if it's focusing on that or not. Don't need to remove this whole bracket, just pull it up out of the way, because right there's our fan that we're going to be pulling out. Okay, now that we have the kick panel removed, there's 2 screws that need to be removed, one here and one back here, and them are a 7/32. Pull down on this little tab up here. You should just be able to twist it right out. And there's the fan coming out. The fan we're going to bring down here. Take a little screwdriver and we'll pop this connector out. And there you have it, the old one. One we're putting in is an aftermarket one, so it has the pigtail on it. It should just plug right back in the same location. Make sure it locks into place, gets attached. You want to make sure that this tab is facing this way and facing the motor just a little bit, because it'll go up, twist it this way to lock it in. Let's go ahead and do that. And there you go. Let's take this harness, we'll put it up out of the way. We'll put the kick panel back in. And then we'll be ready to go. The one thing that the OEM has that the aftermarket one that we just installed does not have is this little bracket. That's the one that set up under here that had the 2 7/32 screws in it. What that actually does is when that sits in here like this, it sits in there like that, and we had to remove the 2 screws from here. What that does is this fan's blowing, it blows into this little hole. There's an opening in the box. It blows through here, and it blows air across the brushes. So all the brush dust gets blowed off. Since this aftermarket one doesn't have that, we're not going to try to reinstall this on. So we'll definitely put it in the dash, so if I do get an OEM, I can put it back in with it. So now, all we have to do, put the cover, put the harness, lower harness back up in, and put the cover back up in here. So there you have it. That's an install of a blower motor on a 2011 Chevy Avalanche. I know that is the same setup that was on my 2003 Avalanche too. And I believe all the Silverados between them years are also the twist-on style blow motors like that. The whole thing took me less than 10 minutes to do. So if you find this video informative, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we release more content. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.